another French classic dessert, which I say this a lot, I know, but creme brulee truly fits that description. With a perfectly crackling top, it is one of the best desserts that you can make at home. Let me show you how to make this. As usual, ingredients in the description below, and please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start by separating the yolks from the whites. Using 2 containers or bowls, crack your eggs into one, and using your method of choice, by hand, spoon or bottle, separate your yolks from the whites. Then gather all your egg yolks into a bowl and beat vigorously, to which you're going to add the rest of your sugar as well as your vanilla extract and mix again. Adding your sugar after you beat the eggs prevents from any lumps from forming. In a pan over medium heat, add your cream as well as the rest of your sugar. Keep stirring your cream until the sugar dissolves properly, and make sure that it doesn't get so hot that it starts to burn the cream. As soon as your cream gets to a simmer, remove from the heat and using a sieve, pour your cream into a jug or a jar to remove any skin that may have formed. Now you want to slowly add your heated cream to the eggs while you're mixing, and do this in batches so that your eggs don't burn. We are now tempering the eggs. Get a tray that is large enough to contain all your ramekins, about 6 of them, and place a cloth right at the bottom. This prevents the cream from burning in the oven and keeps them from moving too much. I'm using oven-proof glass jars, which you can also use if you have any. Now pour your cream all the way to the top, leaving a bit of space at the edge. Your cream is now ready, but to ensure that it cooks thoroughly without burning and maintains a steady temperature, add some boiling water to the tray so that it reaches about 2/3 of your container. Now place into a preheated oven at 160 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. You know it's ready when the middle jiggles but your finger still comes clean when you touch it. Once out of the oven, let that cool to room temperature and refrigerate for 4 hours, but at least overnight. Just before serving, sprinkle sugar over your cream and using a blowtorch, melt your sugar so that it caramelizes. You want to do this in batches, so once you have melted your first layer, add more sugar wherever you like, and then repeat the same process. Once you have a solid caramel layer that is to your liking, let that cool for about 1 to 2 minutes so that it becomes hard again. And you can do the thing that everyone enjoys with creme brulee, which is to grab a spoon and tap the top of it. And you can see that it is very solid. Go at it, crack it, and enjoy your creme brulee. And there you go, my friends. This was my recipe for homemade creme brulee.